Hi, my name is Shina and I'm one of the librarians at Lamar State College Orange. For this instruction, I will give an overview on using our new OneSearch feature called Gator Search. If you have any questions about Gator Search or about the library, please contact us online or in person or email us anytime at LSCO Library at lsco.edu. First, navigate to the library homepage by visiting library.lsco.edu. On this page, you will find a list of all the library's database resources under the title Find Articles on Library Databases. Our newest feature and the topic of this instruction is Gator Search. To access Gator Search, click the first link in the list titled Search All Databases, Gator Search. This is the main search page for Gator Search. What makes Gator Search so awesome is that from this one search bar, Gator Search accesses and searches all databases. Instead of having to search multiple single databases, Gator Search does it all at once. If you are accessing Gator Search from off campus, you will see a link at the top of the page that says Hello Guest, log in for full access. Click this link. On this page, you will log in to access Gator Search. Type in your LSCO username and password and click the Login button. Now that you have logged in, you can begin your Gator Search. In Gator Search, you can select how you wish to search by clicking the arrow of the drop-down menu. You can select keyword, title, or author. For our keyword search, we will use the term diabetes. Now that we've typed diabetes into the search bar, click the search button. Gator Search has now searched all of the databases and has returned with over 3 million articles. It's a lot, but now we're going to limit the articles to show what is the most relevant to our search. On the left side of the page, there is a menu that says Limit To. Here we're going to limit the articles and fine-tune the relevancy of the articles. First, always make sure that full text and print is checked. This assures you get the results that include the entire article and not just a small excerpt or a paragraph of that article. Gator Search has been set up so this should be selected automatically for you. You also have the ability to adjust the publication date. You can move the slider, or you can simply type the date into the box and press Enter. When you update the date, all the articles will be updated to show only those that fall within the selected date range. A note to our nursing and other medical field students. The medical field and its research and technology changes rapidly, so in doing research, it is important to keep research dates within the last 5 years. So for current research purposes, your date range should be from 2015 to 2020. Below the publication date, you can limit by source. This can be academic journals, magazines, books, and more. Your instructor will specify any specific needs. Now that we have discussed limiters, we will look at an actual article. Take a look at your results. Each one is numbered and has a title that can be clicked and will bring you to the actual article. Click on the article title now. This is the record page of the article. It gives you all the information about the article, including the title, author, source of the article, and a brief abstract or summary of the article. This is the most important page in regard to doing your references and works cited pages. To the left of the record information, you will find links to allow full access to the text. Some will have a PDF link, some will have an HTML link, and some will have both. Click the full PDF link. This is the actual article. From here, you can read, print, download, or save a copy of the article for your research. When you are done viewing the article, simply push the back button on your browser to go back to the record. From this page, you click a results list to go back to your original results page. You can now continue to browse these results or start a new search using a new search term in the search bar up above. That is all you need to know for doing research using Gator Search. If you have any questions, make sure to contact the library. Happy researching!